the video. Remember this game? Stop popping up. You, business. Remember this game where you cook things? Oh yeah, I got that game back. And now we So firstly, I remember how this goes. So you get the revolver. You got tenderize it. I remember. We are ranking this. Hey guys, because you guys have not seen this, and you guys deserve to see this. For this video, will be like the best video, because apparently this video was like the best video. Or you guys probably want me to do more, basically. So, wait, wasn't it like a knife? Yeah, it was like a hammer. Hammer, tenderized. Okay, now I've tenderized it. We need the cooker. We need to cook it. We need to cook it. Chef's kiss. Delicious chicken nuggets. Wait. And then we have the fire extinguisher just to cool it down. And then remember this. Yeah, I'm good at making stuff like this. I'm gonna tenderize it while it's in there. Can I seasoning on there? How do we see the seasoning again? Like a flashbang? Yeah, like a flashbang. Wait, no. We need a smoke grenade. Yeah, we need a smoke grenade, right? I can't hear you. Why am I saying right, guys? This is not a live video. Anyway, smoke grenades. Sorry, you guys have to. Okay, here we are. So you guys have to witness that. You probably gonna edit that out of the video, but yeah. So if you guys don't see Sonic, cringe ass Sonic video, yeah. Oh no, I'd be a cringe. Yeah, was I always cringe? Yeah, I was always cringe. Say hashtag I was always cringe in the comments. Just say hashtag please don't quit YouTube, because I will if I don't get enough sub. Okay, just sad face. Now we need to deliver. Need new cars. You know, we usually just use a car, regular sized car. No go car. Goodbye car. That car's gone. Let's get some more. Normally different flavor of banana. Because but yeah, that's my feeling for saying. No, please, no, don't do this. Ty, don't do this, no. Right. I am doing it because I want.